Hi guys, this how to every step video shows you how to quickly repair a scratch in car paint using silicone spray in just 2 minutes. The clear silicone fills the scratch, which significantly improves its appearance, shown in 4 easy to follow steps. There we go guys, job done. So here is the every step summary. And here is a list of tools and materials required. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, subscribe and leave comments below. Click above for more how-to every step videos.